Alright, family and friends, this is JU. As you can see from my hair, super windy today. I have doubt that it's gonna come, but I whistle. And also I got a special today. Hold this in my hand and see if it's gonna try to feed from my hand or not. But 3 minutes, if it comes, it's a success, alright guys? Come on, feed from my hand. Feed from my hand. Come on. Feed from my hand. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on, feed from my hand. Come on, baby. Feed from my hand. Yeah, yeah. Man, come on. Come on, baby, feed from my hand. Gotta see if we can get a little bit closer. Come on, feed from my hand. Yeah. Get some. Come on, baby, feed from my hand. Come on, baby. Ooh, another one's coming. Another one's coming, guys. See if they're gonna take from my hand or not. Come on. There ain't a whole mess of them coming. Let's see if they're gonna take from my hand or not.